What you need to know about the science of washing machine. A washing machine is a home appliance that uses water, detergent, and motion to get laundry sparkling clean. It cleans clothes by mixing water and detergent and then spinning them around to remove dirt and stains. The washing machine does not work through magic. Rather, it uses several scientific actions and principles to do its job, which are 1. Mechanical action, in agitation and tumbling with the principle of friction and kinetic energy. When the clothes are moved around vigorously in the water, they rub against each other and against the inside of the drum. This rubbing creates friction, which physically loosens the dirt particles from the fabric fibers. The kinetic energy, which is the energy of motion of the water and clothes, helps to dislodge and suspend the dirt in the water. 2. Chemical action, in detergent with the principle of surface tension and emulsification. Water alone can clean some things, but detergent is crucial. Detergents are special chemicals that reduce the surface tension of water. Think of surface tension as a thin skin on the water surface. By breaking this skin, water can easily penetrate the fabric and surround the dirt. Detergents also contain surfactants, which are molecules that have a water-loving end and a dirt-loving oil-loving end. The dirt-loving ends attach to the oil and grease on your clothes, while the water-loving ends pull the dirt into the water. This process is called emulsification, where tiny droplets of oil and dirt are suspended in the water, preventing them from reattaching to your clothes. Many detergents also have enzymes that break down specific types of stains, like protein stains from food or grass. 3. Thermal energy, in water temperature with the principle of increased molecular motion and solubility. Hot water molecules move faster. This increased movement helps them penetrate fabrics more effectively and dissolve dirt and detergent better. Heat also helps the chemical reactions of the detergent work more efficiently, breaking down stains faster. However, hot water uses more energy and can sometimes damage delicate fabrics or cause colors to fade. 4. Spinning with the principle of centrifugal force. When the drum spins very quickly, it creates a powerful outward force called centrifugal force. Imagine swinging a bucket of water around your head. The water stays in the bucket because it's being pushed outwards. In the washing machine, this force pushes the wet clothes against the walls of the spinning drum. Because the drum has tiny holes, the water is forced out of the clothes and through those holes, leaving your clothes much drier. The faster the spin, the stronger the centrifugal force, and the more water is removed. In summary, a washing machine combines these actions, which are mechanical scrubbing, chemical cleaning, and the power of spinning to efficiently and automatically get your clothes clean and ready for drying.